Want to make an extra £500 every month from home? Here are 5 realistic side hustles to start in 2026. First up is micro freelancing. Use platforms like Fiverr to offer specialized skills, aiming for a target of £125 every week. Second, try niche reselling. Source trending electronics or vintage clothing, take professional photos, and flip them on eBay for a steady weekly profit. Third is social media management. Help small businesses grow their online presence. Managing just a few accounts can easily net you £100 weekly. Fourth, create digital products. Design ebooks or templates once and earn passive income every time someone downloads your work while you sleep. Finally, AI-assisted services. Use AI prompt engineering to automate tasks for clients. This high-demand skill is a great way to boost your earnings. The opportunities in 2026 are everywhere. Pick one and start today. Like and subscribe for more ways to build your wealth.